So this is day 2 of the garden cleanup. Not a consecutive day, but just the second day of trying to clean up the garden a bit. So I'm changing my plan of attack to actually start with all my peppers today, looking at each one of them individually, moving to my pollinators, and then moving back to the main garden. So yeah, the idea is to inspect every pepper plant, pluck the peppers that's ready, and just to see their overall health. So this is my red points F1 pepper. We can see it has some blossom end rot, and I think that is due to all the rain that we've been getting and the inconsistentness of the rain. But look at this nice big pepper. The rest of them are looking healthy. Still a lot of damage on the leaves, but I'm gonna cut it and then gonna make it nice again, making space for new growth. Here's my Chinese 5 color. I feel so sorry for these plants. You can see all the damage that the hail caused, and I'm snipping quite a few things off. But yeah, I'm feeling very sorry for them, and I really do love my peppers. My Tabasco plant's looking healthy. Look at this nice red pepper and all of these colors on it. So it used to be just purple all around, but now as it's starting to ripen, it is getting its true color. So here I have a Bishop's Crown pepper, which I just removed the pollination bag from and added a piece of twine to remember that that's the one, the seed I can save. There's a few peppers I'm still cleaning up, but we can see this pepper plant is looking healthy compared to the others. There's still leaves like this from the hail, which I'm cutting off to make space for new growth. This is my Reeper. Still no fruit, but we have a lot of tiny flowers incoming. Here is my orange bell pepper plant. It's looking quite sad. I think I'm gonna harvest these peppers and then make room for new peppers to come and give the plant a bit of chance to grow healthy. Look at my nice chocolate pepper. This is a test something chocolate. I'll never be able to pronounce that, it seems. But yeah, also doing some cleanup. Look, bad damage from the hail, but there's one very hot pepper on this plant. This pepper was on a pollination bag, so I added that twine just to remember that is one that I can save the seeds from. And I'm also cutting down these dowels because they are really long and irritating me. But yeah, the cleanup's going well. Now I just have to clean up this mess and these 2 pepper plants, and then I think this would look nice again. Look at this beautiful flower of this pepper. This is a Cape cherry pepper. You can see it struggled with light because it's very tall, and then it's starting to bush. So I've pruned it so that it won't grow taller than this, and I'll move it into a bit more sunlight. As I watered them, I cut all of the dowels except that long one. So I moved my peppers a bit to the front so they will get more sun, because plants that produces fruit needs a lot of sun to work. So that's my Tabasco. Here is my point F1s. Here is my green peppers. There is my cayenne chili. So all of them are looking good now after the cleanup. So let me show you what I got out. So all of these things. So these are 2 peppers. This is a green pepper and this is a red point pepper that I tried to seed save, but they rotted. So I'm gonna harvest the seeds what I can from that. There's some of the bell peppers that I said I will take off, just to give the plant a bit of time to grow. This Tabascos fell off of the plant, and this is all the greenery that I've cleaned up. But yeah, this has been a long cleaning process, and there might be 2 more videos because I haven't even gotten to this yet, and the sun is starting to kill.